Hi everyone, welcome to Feel the Skill. Ever wonder how you did handle an unexpected financial hit, like a medical emergency or car accident? That's where insurance come in. In today's video, we are breaking down everything you need to know about insurance, how it works, why you need it, and how it can save you from financial disaster. Stick around to become insurance savvy and secure your peace of mind. Today I will talking about cheaper car insurance quota. I will break it down step by step so it's easy to understand and help you avoid common mistakes. Stay with me till the end for some valuable tips that could save your time, money and stress. Picture yourself cruising down the highway, the wind is your hair, knowing that you are protected by a solid car insurance policy that don't cost you a fortune. Cheap car insurance quota make it possible to have the coverage you need without sacrificing your budget. Introducing cheap car insurance quota is cheap car insurance quota are price estimated provided by insurance companies for policies that offer essential coverage at a lower rate. These quota help driver compare different provider and choose a policy that offer the best value for their money. What is cheap car insurance? Cheap car insurance refer to policy that provide the necessary coverage for your vehicle at a low cost. These policies are designed to meet the legal requirement for driving while keeping premium affordable. Key element of cheap car insurance: liability coverage. Cover damage to other people and their property if you are at fault in an accident. It is usually the minimum required by law. Second is collision coverage. Pay for damage to your car resulting from a collision, regardless of who is it at fault. Comprehensive coverage. Cover non-collision incidents such as theft, fire, or natural disaster. Fourth is uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. Protect you if you are hit by a driver who has no insurance or insufficient coverage. Fifth is personal injury protection. Cover medical expenses and lost wage for you and your passenger after an accident. Sixth is deductibles. The amount you agree to pay out of pocket before your insurance kicks in. Choosing a higher deductible can lower your premium. 7 is discounts and saving. Insurance companies offer discount for safe driving, multiple policies, low mileage, and vehicle safety features. Example: a young driver with no traffic violation might receive a lower premium quota than someone with a history of accident. Insuring an older vehicle with minimum coverage can lead to significant saving. How cheap car insurance can help? Cheap car insurance can help by providing financial protection against unforeseen events like accident, theft, or a natural disaster. It ensures you are not left with hefty repair bill or liability cost, which could be financially devastating. Initial consultation. The process starts with an initial consultation where you provide your detail, including your driving record, vehicle information, and coverage need. These help ensure generated a quota that fits your circumstances. Building the case. To secure the best rate, you will need to provide accurate information. Ensure your driving history and vehicle detail are up to date. Highlight your safety measures. Mention any safety feature in your car that could lower your premium. Ask for discount. Inquire about available discount for building policy, being a safe driver, or having a good credit score. Trial representation. Some insurance companies offer legal support if you need to contest a claim. This can be crucial in case where liability or coverage is disputed. Quality of the best cheap car insurance. First is compensation lawyer. A reliable insurer insurance has a straightforward claim process with minimum dispute. Second is expertise and experience. Look for companies with a strong track record and good customer review. Third is communication skill. Clear and timely communication ensure you understand your policy and the claim process. Fourth is empathy and determination, and ensure that value customer service will be empathic to your situation and determined to provide the best support. What to expect in a cheap car insurance case? First is time frame. Getting a quota can take a few minutes online or a few days if done through an agent. Claim processing time vary but should be clearly outlined by your insurer. Second is cost. Expect lower premium but be mindful of any trade off such as higher deductibles or less comprehensive coverage. Third is possible outcome. You could secure affordable coverage that meets your need or decide to adjust your coverage based on the quota received. Encouragement. While finding cheap car insurance might require some effort, the potential saving the peace of mind are well worth it. By comparing quota or understanding your option, you can find a policy that fits both your need and budget. Call to action. Take the first step toward affordable car insurance today. Use comparison website, consult with insurance agent and explore discount to find the best cheap car insurance quota. Additional tip: maintaining a good credit score. Many insurance use credit score to determine premium. Drive safely. A clean driving record can significantly reduce your insurance cost. Third is review your coverage annually. As your situation change, make sure your insurance policy still meet your need. Fourth is consider use-based insurance. Some insurance offer lower rates based based on your actual driving habit, monitored through a device or app. By following these steps and understanding the element of cheap car insurance, you can secure a policy that offer the protection you need without stretching your budget. Now that you have a better understanding of how insurance can protect you and your asset, it is time to take action. Review your current policies, ask questions, and ensure you are fully covered. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more insights, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Remember, a little preparation today can save you a lot of stress tomorrow. If you have any question or need more information, leave a comment below. I would love to hear your thought and help where I can. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who might find it helpful, and subscribe to Feel the Skill for more simple and practical advice. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.